In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy filtered rows in Google Sheets. If you've ever filtered a list to narrow things down and then tried to copy it, only to paste a bunch of hidden rows you didn't want, this is for you. There's a simple way to make sure you copy exactly what you see on the screen. Nothing more, nothing less. Start by applying your filter. In Google Sheets, you can click the filter icon in the toolbar or open the data menu and choose Create a Filter. This adds filter dropdowns to your header row. Use those dropdowns to hide the rows you don't need. Maybe you filter by a specific value, a condition like greater than, or uncheck the items you don't want to see. As soon as you apply the filter, your sheet will collapse to show only the rows that match. Now, highlight the data that's left on your screen. It's often helpful to include the header row so your paste is labeled and easy to read. Click and drag over just the visible area you want to copy. If your list is long, you can click the first cell, scroll, then shift-click the last cell to select the whole visible block. Avoid grabbing extra blank columns or unrelated sections so your paste stays clean. Here's the key. In modern Google Sheets, a simple copy handles this for you. Press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Sheets recognizes that you've filtered the view and copies only the visible rows in your selection. You'll notice the animated selection outline skips over the hidden gaps. This is exactly what you want. Next, head to your destination, whether it's a new sheet, a report tab, or even another spreadsheet. Click where you want the data to start and paste with Ctrl+V or Command+V. You should see only the filtered rows appear, neatly packed together without any of the hidden data sneaking in. It's the fastest way to export a specific slice of your list without cleanup. If you're moving the results into a final report, consider pasting values only to avoid bringing over unintended formulas or links. And for best results, make sure your selection is the exact range you want, especially if you work with frozen headers or hidden columns. That's all there is to it. Apply your filter, select the visible data, copy, and paste. Copy exactly what you see, every single time. Thanks for watching, and follow for more Google Sheets tips.